today came from all walks of earth, but they shared several fundamental qualities. They possessed courage, pride, determination, selflessness, dedication to duty, and integrity, all the qualities needed to serve a cause larger than oneself. Now to the student ambassadors presenting Rise, including Nidhi, Braylon, Drew, and Gavin.
Respect is an integral part of our daily lives, and it's something that will follow you through your entire lives. Respect is what differentiates you from being just another kid or person. It's what makes you that angel child you hear the parents tell you, or that star student your teacher always uses. Respect inspires, creates, and transforms our characteristics. The future, our future. Here at Nelson Middle School, we practice respect every day, respecting peers, teachers, and faculty members. It's something we strive to have, and we don't demand it, we earn it. So, in honor of Veterans Day, I'm here to convey this message. Veterans, we admire and appreciate everything you do for our country and our protection. We respect you. Service can mean so many different things to many people. Service is the action of helping or doing work for someone. Not just mowing a lawn, but helping and being there when someone's in need. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, you must be the change you want to see in the world. If you want things to change, you must go out and be the change. To serve, to help, to inspire. As teenagers, everybody thinks we only care about ourselves, so we have to make it intentional to go out and help, to serve. At Nelson Middle School, we have the opportunity to serve in many ways, from helping our classmates to our community. We can make a positive impact through service. When you think of service, you think of the men and women who serve, who risk their lives, who keep us safe. So veterans, on this day, we are here to honor you. Thank you for your service.
The E in Rise represents excellence. That means the quality of being outstanding or extremely good, like our veterans present today. We can all show excellence as well. Excellence can be achieved through hard work